Hi there, welcome to the channel PY Help Me. My name is Johannes. I'm German, but I live in Brazil. And a couple of months ago, I started a video series about how to scrape bet365. A lot of people seem to be interested in it, right? Looking at the statistics. In the last 4 weeks, I worked on a method that's like a lot faster than the first one. And it's basically impossible to block. You can't get blocked. Actually, there are 4 methods. 4 different methods of how to scrape everything from bet365. As you can see, there is like no problem at all scraping the page every 1 to 3 seconds. And several pages, like you can see here. Tennis, volleyball, football, whatever you want. It is even possible to get all API calls, as you can see here. Those are all API calls in a pandas data frame. Things that you won't find in the source code, but it's possible to get there. Well, and this is what I'm going to show here on the channel. You have to know, there is one single rule. Don't do what everybody else is doing. All those guys here on Reddit want to scrape using Selenium, Playwright, Appium, Puppeteer. This is not going to work. Blocking that is very simple, very simple. Since 99% of all users are using those apps, it's pretty easy for bet365 to block everything. However, I'm going to tell you, Selenium, Playwright, Puppeteer, and Appium is all completely useless crap. They might be good for the things that they were made for. Testing, not web scraping. It's even written on the Selenium page. This is not for web scraping. So you shouldn't use it for web scraping. Even they tell you not to use it. There's certainly no doubt about it that Selenium is like kind of magic. I think everybody who saw it for the first time is like, wow. Right? I open the page on Wikipedia, Selenium, and it's very simple to filter things here. And of course, it's very simple to interact with the page. All it takes is that here. To click on a link with 1977. That's it. Perfect. Magic. But a lot of people don't know that every shitty browser is able to do that. Out of the box. No add-ons, nothing. Let's check that out. Go to a page which is known for blocking nothing, Wikipedia. Open the console, F12, and let's start. Document, query selector all, A. Look what we got here. Everything we need. The greatest thing is, if you still want to use Selenium, you can use this for all different kind of Seleniums. For JavaScript Selenium, for Java Selenium, for Python, for whatever. You don't have to learn like 5 different languages or something, C# and whatever. Just use it here. This here is all it takes. They're all web elements, right? So this is universal language. And I can do any interaction I can do with Selenium. No problem. If I want to use a more detailed CSS selector, I can do it like this. On the Mozilla page, there is a great tutorial of how to use CSS selectors. We're going to paste it here, and we filtered all elements. Perfect. Do you want to get a text? No problem. You can get access to an element like in Python, right? Text content. You want to click on it? No problem. 0, 1, 0, 1. No problem. So now you have to ask yourself, why would you use Selenium or Playwright or Appium or Puppeteer? It's completely useless. You just have to find a way of how to execute those scripts directly in the browser and get all data from there, because that way you're not going to use any whatever WebDriver protocol or whatever. You're going to use it your own way, and this is going to work. But it's not the only method I'm gonna teach. Like I said, I have 4. And they're all very hard, if not impossible, to block. So probably tomorrow I'm gonna post the next video. I hope you liked it. My first video on the channel. Like I've told you already, this is my channel in Brazilian Portuguese, if you want to follow it. But I'm gonna post everything here too, in English, right? So thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you next one, right? Bye-bye.